Alright guys, just an update. We're almost finished up with the Bronczilla 7.3 Godzilla swap 77 Bronco. Hydro boost brakes. Dakota digital gauge cluster. Mars hooked us up with the running pallet, 10 or 80 transmission electronic transfer case. We modified the factory manifolds. We have a couple Flowmasters come out right there. Rear disc brakes. Aftermarket tank. 2-inch body lift. 35s. Dakota digital gauge cluster. We ended up using the Mustang 10 or 80 shifter. Still have select switch, which is here. Up, down. Fuse box in the glove box. Seats. No carpet or nothing yet. Four-wheel drive control. Give her a little gas. All right, guys. Finish video tomorrow.